Hi, my name is Shakira Johnson, and this is my Lab 3 photosynthesis lab. So basically in this lab, we just took a hole puncher like this, and we took a leaf. The leaf that I used was spinach, and I hole punched some spinach. I'm not recording me doing it because I did it already, but I hole punched some spinach, and I made some discs, enough for 3 trials. And in each trial, I put about 10 discs in each. I put 10 discs in each trial. So with each trial, I went ahead and I put them in there, and I took the 10 discs, and I put them in 3 different clear cups. I used a clear cup, like a clear party cup, and I put the cup at a distance from the rim of the cup to the light. At the first distance would be 4 inches, the next distance would be 8 inches, and then the next distance would be 12 inches. And what I found was at 15 minutes, all the discs float to the top, but they float to the top at different time frames, except for the third one. So basically, what was happening within the experiment was the spinach discs were like submerged in water, and the CO2 was pushed out through a syringe. I don't have my syringe right here, but the CO2 was pushed out through a syringe. I used my thumb and I put it at the end of the syringe with the disc in it. And once the disc floated from the top to the bottom, I knew that it was like full of CO2 basically, and all the oxygen was out. So then I dumped it into the water. And basically, at the end of the experiment, I found that the clear cup that was closer to the light, which was the 4 inches, the disc, they floated to the top fastest. So they had photosynthesis the fastest because it was closer to the light, and therefore I found that photosynthesis happens more rapidly when the light is more closer to the leaf. And those are my observations and results from my Lab 3 photosynthesis. And I hope that you enjoy. This is Shakira Johnson signing out, class of 2025. I'll be graduating soon. So, thank you for watching.